Now, Qubittech is a company I got started with very recently after taking a look at these guys over the course of the last 3 months. Now, I really wanted to provide you with a full and unbiased review so that you can better understand the business, especially if you are somebody in research mode and you're looking in at Qubittech, but you're not sure whether this company is one that you wish to add into your portfolio. So check out this review. I'm going to provide you with a full and unbiased Qubittech review, and I look forward to connecting with you real soon. Now, Qubittech was a company that was brought my way a few months ago now. And after following their progress for the last 3 months, I decided to pull the trigger and take action myself. The returns look really promising, but I still need to know more about the company and learn more about the technology they are leveraging to generate these profits. In this Qubittech review, I'll be dissecting the business for you. We'll also look into who is steering the ship here with Qubittech, and of course, we'll look into how the returns are being generated for members. Let's see if this is an additional crypto income stream you can add to your portfolio. So what is the concept behind the company? Qubittech aim to deliver a new and cutting-edge way to earn passive income from the cryptocurrency markets. Using quantum technology, they aim to deliver fast-paced earnings for members in their ecosystem. When trading cryptocurrencies, Qubittech use a high-velocity trading backbone to enter into and exit out of trades at a significantly faster speed compared to rivals, using big data, machine learning, and AI technology-based algorithms. All geeky stuff, but in its simplest form. These guys claim to trade the crypto markets in an efficient and scalable way to generate high profit margins, which they then share with all active members every day, 7 days a week. Now, to wrap your head around the business, I think I'm going to pass this over to the guys at Qubittech. So let's hear it straight from the horse's mouth and have a listen to the board of Qubittech so that we can gain more insight into the dynamics of their business model.
Qubittech is the fintech company which is using quantum technology to achieve the best results in algorithmic trading. The mission of Qubittech is to create and make a positive impact worldwide.
Qubittech is an innovative company that introduces technology, specifically quantum technology, to offer better products and better services using the power of this quantum technology.
Currently, Qubittech has 2 different products. We have robots that trade outside of our ecosystem, and we also have a way to participate with those robots and other products and services through purchasing a digital license.
We have a roadmap in which we are, over time, introducing various quantum-related technologies to provide better business solutions. One example is high-frequency trading using quantum technology to provide more accurate and better returns in the portfolios of cryptocurrencies.
Now, Qubittech also offer trading bots that can be used independently outside of their ecosystem. So you can hook this up directly to your external exchange to trade. Now, I personally haven't used the bots as yet, but as we progress in the business, I may shoot another review update here. So what is the background of the company? Well, this is a new registered entity in 2020, so the company do not appear to have long-term trading history. However, we have a brief track record of some 6+ months of successful performance. But as we peel off additional layers of the business, we can see they have a transparent and proactive management team. We can see the transparency behind the incorporations that Qubittech have in the UK, British Virgin Islands, and Thailand. Okay, so let's take a look into the management team and some of the people and faces behind Qubittech. The CEO is a gentleman by the name of Greg Limon. Now, according to his bio, Greg has added a few notches to his belt in the world of crypto. He claims to have successful IPOs and funding rounds in the blockchain space. Now, I took a look into more references online and found a digital footprint of Greg's on LinkedIn and on YouTube. During his ICO days where he was founder and also advisor to blockchain companies. Mark Swickel is the Chief Marketing Officer of Qubittech. He has vast experience in international banking and has played a pivotal role in AI startup firms. His bio claims that he advises hedge funds and that he acts as an advisor to the Ministry of Energy of Thailand. Finally, let's take a look at some of the team behind Qubittech. Great, so we have some transparency behind the team here with Qubittech. Let's take a look into how we can participate as members and tap into this passive crypto income. So first things first, what is the minimum amount to get started here? The minimum amount to get started here in Qubittech is $100. Now we're buying what's known as digital licenses. The licenses range in various packages from bronze, starting at $100, to the Platinum Plus, which is $100,000. You can buy any package in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and the returns generated are in USDT. What are the likely expected returns in the business? The returns in Qubittech are approximately 0.5 to 1% returns on a daily basis. The company anticipates substantial profits and will deliver returns of circa 25% per month for members. Now that's really attractive, and Qubittech will continue to pay you passive returns every day that can be withdrawn 7 days a week. The returns will continue to deliver until you receive your capital back, plus a further 150% returns on top of your deposited amount. Once your license reaches its full cycle, it will complete. Now, there's no limit to how many licenses you can have running in your account simultaneously. So let's take a look at the profit calculator here. Let's say we buy a gold digital license for $10,000. We can expect to receive daily profits of around $80 and a monthly passive income of $2,500. The license will cap out and expire when you receive $25,000 in approximately 10 months. At the end of each trading day, you'll be provided with a snapshot of Qubittech performance and the returns that you've generated passively. What's cool also is that we can view the historical performance of the company since they opened their doors. So I can see back over the last 6 months and pinpoint the exact returns that have been generated for members. And as I flick through the reports, and at the time of shooting this video, Qubittech are hitting daily returns of 0.84% daily. Now remember, it's really important, the returns here in Qubittech are not guaranteed whatsoever. Business performance and any profits achieved by the company can and will fluctuate. Poor market conditions and poor business decisions can affect the returns that we receive here. Now, is there any transparency in the business? Well, we know the company are offering returns via their ecosystem and via their trading bot products. You can view the performance of the bots at any time and see the historical performance and trades. We can also see how Qubittech generate profits in their ecosystem. Now, we can't fully validate this, but it appears that the returns we earn are not generated solely from trading activities, but from a plethora of products and services that make up the entire Qubittech ecosystem. Now, I would have liked to have seen more behind the quantum technology and the high velocity trading they refer to. Perhaps this will come with time. Let's see. Now, what are the good points about the business? Well, first and foremost, I like the growth of the company. This is really positive to see. With more than 20 representative offices around the world, Qubittech are picking up some pace with offices in Mexico, Thailand, Cambodia, Russia, Turkey, Ukraine, Great Britain, to name but a few. So clearly we have a trending company here. The company regularly partake in crypto and blockchain exhibitions and events around the world. Now, this is always really encouraging to see a team at the forefront of the industry and not just hiding behind their computer screens. The returns, of course, are very attractive. They could be a substantial passive income stream in your crypto portfolio. Now, the returns are delivered in a flat USDT value. So if Bitcoin or Ethereum drops in value, your profits will remain unaffected. Now, Qubittech have a roadmap in place for the next 3 years ahead. Now, I know roadmaps don't guarantee a company's success whatsoever, but I want to know what their long-term vision is. So you can check out their plans over the course of the next 3 years till 2024. Qubittech provide returns to members 7 days per week. So as members, we can expect to receive passive profits to our account every day. This income can be withdrawn at a minimum of $10, or it can be used to compound your account and buy additional licenses to maximize your passive earning potential. Now, what are some of the bad points about the business? Now, personally, I'm not into some of the cheesy, hypey events and conventions that these guys hold. I get it that some people love the buzz and excitement, but it's just not my cup of tea. For me, I just want to know more about the business, the people behind it, the infrastructure, their technology, and their long-term vision. Now, I'm not one to complain about profits, but the returns are quite staggering here, perhaps even too big. So I just hope the company can sustain these profit levels for the long term. And finally, when we purchase a digital license with Qubittech, we are locking up our capital for approximately 4 months. Now, it's a small point, but it still carries risk. We have other crypto platforms in the industry that allow you to take out your deposited capital at any time, and it's a shame that we don't have that feature here. So I'll be using a strategy I'll share with you to reduce my risk and maximize my returns that you can mimic for yourself. So what's my overall risk rating of the business? Well, I think the company has a lot of potential. The transparency, the events, the technology, all of it seems really promising. The returns are high, and the lock-in period of your crypto does increase one's risk compared to some other platforms. So I'm personally marking this as a medium risk rating. Now, what's my overall conclusion about the business? I really like the business. I like Qubittech. I feel that they have some great long-term potential. Now, I always seek additional passive income streams that I can leverage in my portfolio. As Qubittech progresses, it would be great to gain further insight into their business operations moving forward. And as always, I'll do my very best to provide you with ongoing updates of my journey here. Now, please remember to always invest responsibly. It's really important that you don't rush to join any investment that promises high returns. Do your own research and due diligence. The cryptocurrency markets are volatile and they carry risk. It's imperative that you only deposit funds that you deem as risk capital, meaning funds that you can afford to potentially lose. There is no guarantee behind the business performance or the profits being generated. I really want to thank you for taking the time out to watch this video today. Do me a favor, please. If it has provided you with some value, please like, comment, and subscribe. I want to ensure that I can provide you with the best material to help you along your journey to creating wealth with cryptocurrencies. Oh, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications. If you want to reach out to me at any time, connect with me on social below.